For someone 60 years old trying to maintain vitality and health, eating meals rich in nutrients becomes increasingly essential. But being ready to handle health problems at the age of 60 or above is significantly preferable. The advantages will surface later. Choosing the correct veggies will become very vital in the next years when cooking. Certain veggies can offer essential vitamins to boost immunity, overall health, and slow down aging by means of support for. 10 veggies that you should include in your regular diet have been assembled here. To ensure you will not miss our video updates before then, kindly subscribe. The first is leafy greens, your nutrient powerhouse. First, we have leafy greens, including Swiss chard, kale, and spinach. Rich in vitamin K, these veggies are especially important for maintaining bone health and lowering our risk of fractures as we age. Studies have really found that those who get enough vitamin K have a 30% less chance of hip fractures. Moreover, the antioxidants in leafy greens help to fight inflammation, a regular occurrence as we get older, even with low calorie count. This implies you may consume big amounts without worrying about weight increase and yet get significant health advantages. The second is broccoli, the immune booster. Now let's discuss broccoli. When it comes to strengthening your immune system, this green vegetable really is a superstar. It's high in fiber, which promotes digestive health, and vitamin C, which helps to keep your immune system robust. Still, there's more. Sulforaphane is a chemical found in broccoli that has demonstrated possible anti-cancer action in research. This makes this veggie a great one for you as you become older. Essential for eye health, broccoli is a great source of lutein and zeaxanthin, carotenoids. These molecules might guard the eyes against cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. Combined with healthy fats, broccoli's fat-soluble vitamins, A, E, K, and antioxidants are more readily absorbed when combined with healthy fats like olive oil or avocados. Third, carrots for better eyesight. As you age, do you wish to preserve your vision? Then remember about carrots as well. Beta-carotene, found in great abundance in carrots, your body uses to produce vitamin A. Particularly as we become older, our vision depends on vitamin A. Foods high in beta-carotene, such as carrots, have been found in scientific studies to lower the incidence of macular degeneration, a main cause of visual loss in older persons. Cooking carrots releases more beta-carotene, which facilitates body absorption, notably by steaming or roasting. In terms of vitamin A availability, lightly cooked carrots are much better than raw ones. Number 4. Heart health heroes, sweet potatoes. The sweet potato is another food you want not to overlook. Potassium included in these vivid orange vegetables improves heart health and helps control blood pressure. Additionally, high in fiber and antioxidants, they help to reduce heart disease risk. Studies have even indicated that diets heavy in foods strong in potassium might lower heart attack and stroke risk. Though they come in a range of colors, orange, purple, and white, sweet potatoes provide unique advantages. While purple sweet potatoes are rich in anthocyanins, which are noted for their anti-inflammatory and heart protective qualities, orange sweet potatoes are strong in beta-carotene. Number 5. Tomatoes. Skin and heart health defender. Tomatoes are well known for their high lycopene content, an antioxidant connected to lower risk of several malignancies and heart disease. Lycopene has also been found to shield against UV damage and enhance skin suppleness. Regular tomato eating can assist you keep good heart function and skin. Cooking tomatoes increases lycopene's bioavailability, therefore facilitating the body's absorption of it. For best utilizing this antioxidant, tomato-based foods such as soups or sauces are great. Eating tomatoes with good fats, such as olive oil or avocado, helps the body more readily absorb lycopene and fat-soluble vitamins. 6. Beets, enhanced blood flow agent. Thanks to its high nitrate concentration, beets are fantastic for enhancing circulation. Nitrates are changed into nitric oxide, which helps blood vessels relax and expand, hence increasing blood flow. Given our aging, this can lower blood pressure, something especially crucial. Studies even indicate that consuming beet juice can dramatically drop blood pressure. Don't toss the beet greens. Rich in vitamins A, C, and K, the greens provide extra nourishment whether sautéed or tossed into salads. Daily drinking beet juice offers a quick and effective approach to acquire its heart and performance-enhancing properties. Keep in mind, though, that it stains your hands and clothing, so handle carefully. Number 7. Cauliflower, brain health guardian. Choline is a less well-known vitamin found in cauliflower that is vital for brain function. As we age, memory and cognitive ability, two vital skills, are supported by choline. Studies point to diets high in choline helping to prevent cognitive decline. Hence, cauliflower is a brain-friendly vegetable to eat. Using olive oil and spices, roasting cauliflower in the oven accentuates its inherent sweet taste and gives a great crispy texture. This is a simple, delicious, and sensible side dish. 8th, Brussels sprouts, digestive and detoxifying aid. Another vegetable you really should not overlook are Brussels sprouts. Packed in fiber, they aid in proper digestion and have detoxifying agents to assist the body in getting rid of impurities. Strong in sulforaphane in Brussels sprouts has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant qualities that studies have indicated could help guard against certain chronic illnesses. Number 9. Bell peppers, immune and eye health boosters. Bell peppers rank second on the list. These vibrantly colored vegetables are a great way to get vitamin C, which strengthens your immune system. Bell pepper's high lutein and zeaxanthin concentration helps notably to preserve good vision. These antioxidants guard the eyes from aging-related macular degeneration and oxidative stress. Bell peppers are a great technique to maintain perfect vision and immune system. 10th, asparagus, bone and heart protector. Last but not least, we have asparagus, heavy in vitamin K and folate. Folate reduces the risk of heart disease. Vitamin K is necessary to preserve bone strength. For those over 60, both are vital as, with aging, heart health and bone density become more critical. Thanks in great part to its high fiber count, asparagus also promotes good digestion. Furthermore, included in asparagus is inulin, a prebiotic that helps good gut flora flourish. Because of its asparagusic acid level, some people find their pee smells strongly like asparagus after eating it. This is only transient and benign. Let's briefly discuss what to avoid now that we have gone over the best veggies. If you are over 60, be careful with processed high-sodium veggies and canned goods loaded with salt. High blood pressure brought on by too much salt raises the risk of heart disease. Try also not overcooking your veggies, as many of the nutrients they offer may be lost. You therefore have it right. If you are 60 years of age or older, here are the top 10 veggies you should be including in your diet. Also included are those you should avoid. Supported by studies, each of these veggies provides vital nutrients that help to support good aging. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Furthermore, subscribe for further advice on aging healthily. We appreciate you watching.